Hello everyone, it's the Upper Hiker and I'm at Guangzhou Railway Station catching the high-speed train all the way to Hong Kong. This journey will be around 50 minutes and the train speed is supposed to be reaching 300 kilometers per hour. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Guangzhou South Railway Station is the main departure hub for all high-speed trains towards Hong Kong and other cities. This was my ticket for today. The 300 km per hour high-speed train is ready to depart Guangzhou Railway Station. So in my opinion, the seats were comfortable and there was plenty of leg space around this train carriage. The departure time for this was around 7:37 a.m. in the morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, smoking is prohibited anywhere on the train. Please do not smoke in the compartment, between compartments, or in the washrooms. Smoke will trigger automatic alarms, causing panic on the train and forcing it to stop. This will disrupt the train's operation and delay your arrival. The smoker will be fined or even face criminal charges by the police. Please refrain from smoking. Thank you for your cooperation.
A safety evacuation card and a tray table to put your food and drinks on. We are now reaching the top speed, 300 kilometers per hour. If you're not a fan of the outside view exposure, then there is blind shades for you to open and close. If you ever want to refill your drink bottle, then this is the place for it. We are now approaching our final terminus at Hong Kong Railway Station, where this train will terminate and head back to Guangzhou in the meanwhile. If you're ever wanting to travel between China and Hong Kong, make sure to bring your passport, like mine, Australian passport. Even though these two cities are a part of each other, Hong Kong is a special administrative region of China. You do need a visa to travel there. Overall, this trip was pretty good, even though we wouldn't get something like this in Australia in the next 50 years, a high-speed train that every Aussie could be dreaming about. Imagine traveling between Melbourne and Sydney in just 3 hours. Wouldn't that be crazy? Overall, I'd rate this trip a 9.5 out of 10. The only problem was that since China and Hong Kong are different provinces, we spent a lot of time having them checking our visas and passports and etc. For the next 6 hours, I spent my time wisely at Disneyland, Hong Kong. And now it's time for me to head back.